Hello people, I'm at Stonehenge in this extremely hot spell. Stone's over there. Let me show this. "38 degrees in the van." Oh, it's a hot one. I've got my little USB fan running. Got my roof fan running on extract, so it's dragging the outside air in as opposed to blowing it in. Oh, so hot. But it is relatively quiet. You got the usual load of van lifers down the bottom there, down the bottom end, and there. Got a caravan and a car there, and one van up there, and that's it. Really quiet. I thought we'd be busier than this because now the school holidays have started. Oh, it's just too hot. Oh, the sun's gone behind a cloud. There's a few clouds about. Every now and then the sun goes behind a cloud, gives you a bit of relief. Definitely going to have to break out the shower tonight. Shower outside the van. That'll be fun. And tonight's dinner: chicken jalfrezi curry and pilau rice. So it's nearly done. Lovely. And there it is, chicken jalfrezi and pilau rice. Although it's currently saying 37 degrees in my van, so this might not be a good idea. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy it. Oh, still burning. 12-volt shower. Little cheap thing, £11.99 I think it was. I paid off Amazon, and that was over 5 years ago. And it's even got a little sucker for your van, so you can put your shower up and use it like that. And what I do is I fill my collapsible bowl with a kettle full of water and the rest cold water, drop the pump into it like so, and then just shower. So it's alright outside the van in weather like this. There's still people walking around and that, so I'm going to be showering with my shorts on. But yeah, that's how I do it. And in winter there's hardly anyone around at these park ups and that, so I can have a quick shower outside the van. Have it nice and hot, dry yourself straight away, get back in the van quick. So let's get it set up. I'm going to put my doormat down on the grass because the grass is all dead and loose. My feet keep picking it up. So basically what I do is just get myself wet, turn the pump off, lather myself up, and then turn the pump on to rinse myself off again. So basically that's going to be my setup. Don't want it too hot because it's still 30 degrees. Put that over there. Pump over there. Hang on, a bit tangled up. That's it, all ready for a shower. There you go. That's my shower setup. As you can see, it works quite well. Now all I've got to do is hang my mat on the roof. Because it's a dark colour, it'll dry quite quick. The shorts have also had a wash. And I feel fresh as a daisy. Totally recommend these showers, the 12-volt showers. Like I say, it was £11.50 or £11.99 on Amazon, and that was 5 years ago, and it's still going strong. Yeah, it's handy if you can get a big bottle though, like one of these. Then the neck on this is not wide enough. You can drop the pump down, and then you just have it half full, put a kettle full in there, drop the pump inside, and that's your shower. You can have a bit more of a prolonged one like that. But I must have used about 5 litres of water to shower. That's not bad. So we're going to get a lovely sunset again. The sun's going down, it's cooled down slightly now. Only 33 degrees in the van. But if it doesn't feel like that, it feels a lot lower. We're going to have a cracking sunset. So I'm going to sit on my hand step, have a few glasses of the old Chardonnay, and watch the sun go down. I'll call it a night there, guys. See you in the morning. Just look at that for a view out the van door. Beats watching TV, doesn't it? What an awesome sunset.